coming in by this time, and they're going to stay. I came here around 9:30, so this is 1:15 or so. So 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. That's 4 hours. So these guys are going to stay till 5 then. This is what it is to be a trucker. To be patient. Sometimes every day is not the same. You can get to a customer place to load your trailer, and you might have 8 a.m. as the appointment time to load, but when you get there, something can happen, anything can happen. Probably there are many trucks in your front, probably the equipment broke down, so a lot of things can cause the delay though. Most time you cannot just pinpoint what is causing the delay. It might be short of staff, it might be one crane that is working. That is it. So I'm going to Vaughan. Vaughan is a place in Toronto through Highway 400. So from here, if I want to tell you the route that I'm going to take, I'm currently in Quebec right now. So I'm going to take Highway 30, from 30 to 20, from 20 to 401, which is Ontario. Then from 401 straight, I'm going to spend like 5 hours on that route. 401, 5 hours on 401, the straight route. So I'm going to be there for a long time. Then I'm going to get to 6 hours in 401. I'm going to get to 400. From 400, I'm going to drive like 15 to 30 minutes. Then I will exit. Then I'll get to my delivery location. That is what I'm going to be doing today. So my load is already on my trailer, and this security post. I'm going to take my paperwork from here right now. So just hold on. Let me take my paperwork. So that is one of the paperwork. So I'm still going to go to security check. I'm going to check. They are going to check my load. So I'm driving there right now. Then I'm going to sign one of the documents for them to check my load. Then that is it. So there's a truck right there on the security post, so he's going right now. Let me just go and check out, then send my message to my dispatch. Then I'm gonna be going, man. I'm a company driver, I'm not an operator, so I need to send my message. Show me this one. So this is a security unit. You will see right here that go inside. Hold on, guys. So I just want to stay here for 2 minutes before I start going. I want to stay here for 2 minutes to send my message, then I will get going, guys. But I need to eat before I need to take my lunch before I head back to before I get going, man. This is after 1. So we have been doing a fasting and prayer in Omega. So I need to eat. I've been walking inside the sun, so I was dehydrated. So now I think it's after 1 year or to 2. So let me just take something before I start driving, because when you are hungry driving, you might be driving drizzling, you know. So we do not come to us saying, God, now the bad way do. So that is it. This is my typical day, you know, as a truck driver. After loading, when I'm traveling to a far distance like this, when I finish loading, I have to take, I don't eat in the morning. I don't eat until 12. Normally, I don't eat until 12. But today we're having a special day. And I'm going to a place called Volga in Toronto. It's going to be 6 hours. I still have like 8 hours, 29 minutes. So I'm going to be very close to my delivery location, or get to my delivery location tonight. So, but yeah, no rush though. No rush. So let me get something that I'm going to be putting in my mouth. I'm doing popcorn on my microwave though. So I do my popcorn just popcorn without sugar though. I don't eat sugar, so I need to reduce the intake of sugar, right? It's just my own prescriptions. It's not doctor, so I'm very healthy, guys. So it is what it is. Yeah, I have a couple of things here that I can put to my mouth. This is granite. This is some of the popcorn. Look at it. So our popcorn is like this here in Canada. We just put it on the microwave and it pop for you. That is it. I have some fruit. So that's what I eat. I also have some dough here, like meat pie. So I have a lot. I don't starve. So I don't go hungry. So my wife ensure that I have enough to eat when I'm working. When you work, you also eat, right? That's what it is. It's work and eat. The Bible says a man that did not work should not eat. So I'm working, so I need to eat, okay? You work and eat. I need subscribers in my YouTube, Trucking is Fun TV. Please subscribe, share, so that YouTube can monetize my page, okay? Original content. I don't do other content right now. I used to do reaction videos, but I stopped it. I was not doing it properly, so they demonetized my page. But now I'm going to be doing my own content for some time. So it's only when I saw a new thing on the internet that is related to trucking, so I can bring it to you guys. All right, let me face the road so I can be going very soon. I don't like people seeing me eating. Okay, not that I eat well, but I don't like it. Okay, so you gotta, guys, you gotta look at the way, look at the front, look at the road. Look at the road, guys, not me. Let me show you the nature, right?